All right, so we're going to start by going over some multiplication things, some vocabulary. The product is the answer to a multiplication problem, and factors are the numbers you are multiplying together. All right, let's get into it. So I'm going to show you two different methods. The first one is the box method. All right, so the first thing you need to do is look at your numbers that you're multiplying together, your factors. 87 is one factor, 37 is another factor of whatever this answer is going to be. So we have a two-digit number by a two-digit number. So I need to make a box that is 2 by 2. All right, so on this side, I'm going to write 80 and 7 times 37. All right, so I have 87 times 37. And because of the commutative property, we know that it doesn't matter if I put 87 on the top and 37 down the side, or if I have it this way and have 87 down the side and 37 across the top. It doesn't matter. All right, so let's look at my numbers here. I'm going to multiply 8 times 3, which is 24. And I'll have two zeros, 1, 2. One from the 80, one from the 30. Okay, now I need to multiply 8 times 7, which is 56. And I have 1 0 over here from the 80. All right, now I'm going to multiply 3 times 7, which is 21. 21. And I have 1 0 from the 30. And then I have 7 times 7, which is 49. All right, so I'm going to add down first in each column. So let me rewrite it over to the side because it's important to line up your place values so you make sure you're getting the correct sum. I have 2,400 plus 210. All right, 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 4 plus 2 is 6, and the 2 on the end here. All right, so I have 2,610. All right, now I'm going to add these ones. Ooh, that was horrible. These two numbers. 560 plus 49. Zero plus 9 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10, so I carry my 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So I have 609. All right, my final step here is to add together across this way. So I take 2,610 plus my 609 and I get 9, 1, 12, 3. So my answer would be 3,219. All right. If that doesn't work for you, because you're allowed to use a strategy of your choice, let's try hang the 0. We're going to abbreviate here and write HT 0. Hang the 0. All right, so if I'm doing the same problem, 87 times 37. I'm going to write my 87 times, and here's where that hang the 0 comes in. I'm going to draw an imaginary line here, and I'm going to write 30 over to the side here. And then I'm going to set up a separate problem to do 87 times 7. So essentially I'm doing the same thing as the box method, it's just looking at it a different way. So I still have 87 times 30 and 87 times 7. So now I can bring my 0 down, hang the 0. 3 times 7 is 21. 1 down here, 2 up top. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 2 is 26. So now what I have here is 2,610, just like I have up here. And over here, I have 7 times 7 is 49. 9. Bring my 4 up top. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 4 is 60. So I get that same 609 as up top. I'm not going to rewrite it, but you can see I have 2,610, 2,610, 609, 609. Add them together, you get the same thing, 3,219. So whichever way works for you, whichever strategy is good for you, that's what I want you to use. All right, let's try one more with a 3-digit by a 1-digit. I have 242 times 9. All right, start with that box method. I have a 3-digit number times a 1-digit number. So my box needs to be, oh goodness, this is atrocious. 3 by 1 box. So I have 242, so I need to break that into 240 and 2. And then it's multiplied by 9. All right, 9 times 2 is 18. And I have 2 zeros. 1, 2. 9 times 4 is 36. And I have 1 0. 9 times 2 is 18. All right, now the trickiest part, honestly, is being able to add them all up and lining up those place values. So if I have 1,000, I'm going to spread them out just so I can make sure they're all lined up. 1,800. I have 360. And I have 18. Add those together. I have, 8, 7, 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry my 1, and I have 2. So my answer should be 2,178. All right. If I were to hang the 0 with this one, I could do, well, I wouldn't really need to because it's just multiplied by my 1-digit number. So this is going to look a lot more like algorithm. 2 times 9 is 18. 8, carry the 1. 4 times 9 is 36, but carry the 1 and you get the 7. 2 times 9 is 18, plus 3 is 21. So we get the same thing, 2,178. All right, listen friends, because I'm trying to see who's actually watching and who's just saying they are. Bonus right now. All right, if you're watching this video tomorrow morning, or if this is a Friday or over the weekend, just do it next time we do a spiral. I want you to write on a sticky note this message: my favorite food is pizza. You're not going to get any extra credit or anything, and don't tell anybody else. Don't spoil it. I'm just curious to see who's really watching. All right, have a good night.